Hello, my beautiful angels. I am back to do an update for you ladies. First of all, I just want to say happy Memorial Day to anyone who celebrates it. Please be safe with your family and enjoy the day, okay? This is not a hair review. It's actually an update on this color that I had purchased from Walmart. I did the other color, which is called Creator, and I wanted to do this color, Escapist. I swear that's the name. Anyways, it's the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. And the first color that I did for you ladies, it was in the color Creator. This is the number 45, and it's called Escapist. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, as well as I ordered some hair a while back from... Did I just say ordered some hair? No, it's actually a wig. So let me scratch that from the record. I made a mistake. So I ordered this wig from this company called B Faye Hair. And I will put down below the actual original review that I did on this unit. And I want to cut it on camera because it's been itching me a while to cut it, you know. So I want to do that today. And you ladies can actually watch this transformation. I know I can already see some of you like, no, don't cut it. Cut it. Cut it. It's gonna be cut. So I'm gonna do the chopping of this beautiful hair because I want to experiment. So first, let me get into this review. So this is what the actual I could never turn this right on film because it's always upside down. So this is what it looks like. So that's the color I'm going to try for you today. So it is the number 45. And like I said, it's the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. So let me go ahead and try that on. Oh, this is dark. All right, ladies, so this is the color. I thought it would be a light mauve shade, but it's not that color. So this is what it looks like. So this color is supposed to stay on once it dries. So let me try it. So it's drying right now. This would be good for the guys, you know, just in case you go out and someone give you a kiss, it doesn't show, so your girlfriend won't have to get upset. Just kidding. But anyways, if you feel like it's sticking, it's too sticky for your lips, one of my subscribers shared with me that you can always use some lip balm, and I forgot what else she told me, so I just wanted to pass that on. So that's a great idea, but so far I'm not getting that crazy glue effect, like your lips can't separate, you know, once you fold them. But once again, this is the number 45 Escapist in the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. I can never get that out. So that's it. So now let's do a wig swap and let the cutting process begins. This color looks so gothic, but I love it. All right, my beauties, so this is the hair. I actually just brushed the hair out a little bit. This is the hair from B Faye Hair, and I'll go ahead, like I said, and link the original video that I did on this unit. But this is the box that they sent the hair in, and inside it came with these curling rods. And I haven't used those because the hair just stays curly. As soon as you wet it, it curls up. So it does come with baby hairs in the front. You'll see the original unboxing. I'm just going to give you a quick 360. So yeah, this is all the hair to the front. It's a lot of hair, very soft. This is the hair on the right side. This is the hair on the left. And let me turn around. I'm 5'11", and this is her in the back. So it's beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt to cut this hair today. I can already hear you guys screaming, do not cut it. Do not cut it. But I'm just going to take a little bit off. So I'm not a professional, but what I'll do is I'm just going to section it like in half. I could see Miss Robin right now. Oh my God, is she really gonna cut the hair? So yeah, let's see. I might just take just a little bit off the ends. All right, so let me get some hair ties and I'll be right back. You ladies do not go anywhere. Okay, so scratch the hair ties from the plan. I could not find any, so I just did some twist in the hair. So I'm just gonna cut probably about to here. Yeah, let's do this. Oh, oh my God, did I mess the hair up? Oh yeah, I sure did. I gotta, let me cut the other side. So right there. See, I did better on one side than I did on the other side. So I'm gonna have to put this on the mannequin, but let me turn around and show you ladies what I did. I know some of you are already saying you just messed the hair up. I probably did, but I will definitely fix it. So anyways, this is the back. This is the side. And ladies, the hair curls up when it's wet, so it's not like it's gonna look like really funny. So yeah, I was just bored today, you know, I needed something to do to fill out my day. So yeah, let me take it off and then I will put this hair on the mannequin and do some alterations and I'll be right back. Don't you ladies go anywhere. Have faith in me. All right, my queens, so I'm back. So what I did the back of the hair because some of it was like long, short. So I put this hair on the mannequin and then I kind of trimmed it up. So I'm not a professional, ladies. Like I said, I was bored. And what I did, I made a middle part and I added some powder to the hair. And I put a little water just to keep it flat because I've been wearing it to the side. So yeah, this is the finished product. So let me go ahead and turn to the right side. And this is the left side. And then I'll turn around so you can see the back. So that's the hair in the back. I hope I did a good job. Let me come in a little closer. So yeah, so this is the hair. Like I said, I did cut, I don't know how many inches. This probably is about 4 to 5 inches off the hair. And I know some of you are probably going to be upset that I did, but I'm not actually finished experimenting with this hair. I think I want to do the ends of it, kind of like an ombre effect. So next time I will go ahead and upload a video with an update on this beautiful hair. And like I said, I will go ahead and link down below the original unboxing of this hair. So you ladies can see what it looked like fresh out of the package before it was like cold washed and all that. So yes, the hair is holding up. Like I said, it's from Buffet Hair, and they have a variety of other types of hair, Brazilian, Remy, straight, you name it, they have it, Indian. So yeah, let me know what you ladies think about the new length on this hair. And be honest, I can take it. I know I shouldn't have cut the hair, but like I said, I was experimenting. I should have probably cut it just a little bit shorter. Okay, let me stop. Anyways, I hope you guys like the lipstick shade. Like I said, I'll put the link down below where you can find that a variety of other colors. They don't just have you know, dark colors. They have light colors as well, pastel-y, if you're into that pastel type shades. But yeah, let me know what you ladies think. And once again, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I really don't know what you're waiting on. Please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share, and turn your notification on so you won't miss out on any of my future uploads. Ladies, keep watching. There's plenty more to come and lots of surprises. All right. I want you to know that I do appreciate you, ladies. For my new subbies, welcome. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos and for showing the love. And I do love you, ladies. There's plenty of love to go around. One love. Mwah.